Alabama, south central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near I-10 and I-65, for 6 miles east of Tillman's Corner, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for areas southeast of Interstate 10 just south of the downtown Brookley Field Mobile Airport. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Daphne, Fairhope, Foley, Theodore, Orange Beach, Robertsdale, Point Clear, Lillian, Myrtle Grove, Magnolia Springs, Summerdale, Silver Hill, Perdido Beach, Alberta and I-10 and I-65. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and Escambia, Florida. This is a special weather